Welcome back. A short video on my chimney, just for a couple of minutes hopefully. Problem with sticking seat belts. It's never retracts properly, and as you can see, it's going back up now. But it's annoying. I don't know whether you've experienced it before, but I think there's a little hack. Well, I'm going to try it, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So we'll see. I'm going to put some of this Pro Prep Silk Clean, pull the belt out, give it a rub with this, and hopefully, I've been told that it helps the belts go back in properly. Let's see. Right, let's see if it works. As at the moment, that's what it's like. Not good. So I don't know if it's actually the inertia reel inside, or just this, or the belt itself just being a bit, you know, hard to say, innit? So do the back side as well in case it is that. Can't see it going out this far. I'm a big lad, but you know, can't see it being pulled out that far. Better. A bit more on the inside, maybe. Not sure. We'll see, won't we? I suppose in the coming days when I drive it. Okay, that's that one anyway. Let's just get that seat back in position. Right, back in the garage now. If that seatbelt fix is successful, I suppose I'll have to let you know. It did seem a little bit better, but who knows? Time will tell. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.